Welcome back, friends. Today's topic is regarding the formula for number series in Google Sheets. In the first example, I need to create the serial number of 1 to 1265. In the second example, I need to create the number series of 1 to 100 in 10 by 10 table. In the third example, I need to create odd number series. And in the fourth example, I need to create the even number series. First of all, let's see how to create the serial number. Press equal to, then type the sequence function, bracket open. In the row parameter, put the last number of the serial number, that is 1265, close bracket and press enter, and here you see the serial number from 1 to 1265 is created. In the second example, we need to create the number series from 1 to 100 in 10 by 10 table. For that, use the sequence function again. Press equal to, type sequence, bracket open. In the row parameter, put 10, comma. In the column parameter, put 10. Then close bracket and press enter. This will create the number series from 1 to 100 in 10 by 10 table. The next is creating the odd number series. For this, click on the cell, press equal to, type sequence, bracket open. In the row parameter, put how many numbers you want to generate. For example, 60, comma. In the columns, put 1, comma. In the start, put 1, comma. In the step parameter, put 2 for the odd number series. Close bracket and press enter. And here you see the odd number series like 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 is created. The next is creating the even number series. Press equal to, type sequence, bracket open. In the rows, put how many numbers you want to generate. For example, 85, comma. In the columns parameter, put 1, comma. In the start, for the even numbers, put 2, comma. And in the step also, put 2. Now close bracket and press enter. And here you see the sequence of even numbers like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 are created. So this is how we can generate the number series in Google Sheets by using the sequence function. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in next tutorial.